After it loads, click on NumGen Bulk Number Generator. This tool is 100% free to get, so just click on the Buy Now button to proceed. Enter your email, your first name and last name. Then click on the Proceed button to get the file. Make sure to use correct email address because the file will be sent to your email to download. Here, click on the download link to download the Num Generator file. Or, you can download it from your email, as the file will also be sent to your email. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam folder for the download link. Warning! We are getting this error because the file contains virus, so do not download the file to your normal PC. It's a must for you to run this file using RDP. As you can see, I'm doing this in RDP. Again, do not download to your normal PC. Also, make sure to turn off the Windows Defender of your RDP before you download. Now to download the file, click on the Show All button. Click Keep Dangerous File to save the file. The file has now been downloaded. Next, locate the file and extract. Open the Num Generator software and follow the instructions. Here, type the quantity of numbers you want to generate and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Remember, you can generate as many as you want. Next, as stated at the beginning of this video, you can use this software to generate numbers for any country of your choice. So at this point, depending on the country you prefer, type the country's code number and press Enter. For this tutorial, I'm using USA and its country code is +1. Here, we need to enter the area code we want to use. Using the United States as an example, each state in the US has its area codes. To get the area codes for these states, just search on Google, and this applies to the top-tier countries as well. Using California as an example, I will just search for area codes for California. These are the area codes for California, so just type the ones you want to use and press the Enter key. Please note, if you're using multiple area codes, make sure to bring comma, followed by a space before the next code. Congratulations, your numbers have now been successfully generated. As you can see, these are the generated numbers, but we are not done yet. We need to validate these numbers to get. Click Proceed to Coinbase. Or you can check your email. Again, these files contain virus, so make sure to do this in RDP. Now, this validator tool is a Python application, so to make it work, you need to first install Python. Just follow along with me on how to install Python. Make sure to check Add Python to Path and click Install now. Python has now been installed. Next, before running the validator tool, we need to first add the generated numbers to the numbers file of the num validator. But we can't just copy and paste these numbers, or else it will not work. We need to first remove the country code from each number, in my case the +1. I know this sounds quite complicated, but that's how the tool has been programmed. Removing the country code is very simple, just follow along with me. To do that, open Google Sheets in your browser. Here, follow me step by step. First, open the generated numbers and copy them using Ctrl-A to select all and Ctrl-C to copy. Click that box. Select plain text. Before pasting the numbers, click on Cell I to highlight the whole column, and then paste the numbers using Ctrl-V. Make sure after pasting the numbers, all of them are attached to the country code. In my case, not all have the country code, which is the +1, so what you have to do is to highlight the whole column again and delete them using the delete key on the keyboard, and paste them again. Remember, we only want to get rid of the country code, but you could notice that after pasting the numbers, the equal sign was automatically added to each number. So we need to get rid of that too. To do that, click on Cell A to highlight the whole column. Click on Data and choose Split Text to Columns. Select Detect Automatically and click Custom. Now, type in what you want to remove and press Enter. In my case, it's equals +1. As you can see, everything has been removed using this simple formula. Next, copy and paste the numbers into the num validator numbers file and save using Ctrl-S. At this point, we can now open the num validator and begin the validation. Immediately you open the application, it will start validating the numbers and save them in a lookup completed file. As you can see, it's validating as expected. We need to wait till it finishes. The validation is now completed. At this point, we are only left with filtering the validated numbers to get the valid ones. To do that, open Google Sheets and follow the same procedure as we used to filter the country code. Let's now filter for the valid numbers. Highlight column B, right-click and select Sort Sheet. All the numbers containing wireless are valid. Let's delete the landline numbers and save the valid ones. We're almost done. I'm going to show you how you can add the country code to the valid numbers if your sender requires that. To do that, click on any empty cell in row 1 and type this formula, then press Enter. Now, highlight the cell, click and drag the blue dot to the bottom till the last cell. Once you get to the last cell, release your hand from the mouse and everything will be filled automatically.